Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload audio on Suno AI in 2025 step by step, whether you are creating music, voiceovers or AI generated content. This guide will make it super easy. Let's dive in it. Suno AI is an AI powered platform that allows you to create, edit and process audio. You can generate music, speech or even enhance recording using AI tools. Uploading your own audio is the first step is if you want to remix, enhance or analyze your recordings. So before uploading, make sure your audio is in a supported format like MP3, WAV or FLAC. The file size meets Suno AI is limited and you have organized your file so it's easy to find the right one. So step by step upload guide. First of log in to your Suno AI. Here you can see I have login. Open your browser and go to Suno AI and log in with your account credential or create a new account. Then go to upload sections. Here you can see this, and you can see this upload audio options and click on the upload file. Then select your file, click choose file and browse to the audio file on your computer. Now I can choose this file and browse to the audio file on your computer. Select the file and hit open. Then upload and process, click upload to start processing. Wait a few seconds or minutes depending on your file size. Once uploaded, play it to make sure everything is correct. From here you can edit, enhance or use AI features to modify your audio. So here you can see the file has been uploaded, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Avoid very large files, split them if necessary and name your files clearly so you can organize them easily. And that's it. You know now how to upload audio on Suno AI in 2025 and start creating amazing AI powered music or voiceover. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helpful you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.